Good morning. So I just woke up and I'm doing my skincare routine as I do every morning, but I noticed something a little bit off. You see that? See that line? See this bottle? It's half full. It's half full. And I have this thing with my skincare products, and it's kind of the same with like a gas of tank in my car. I don't want my car tank gas little handle thing to go below a half before I fill it back up again. And I feel the same way about my skincare products. So this means we're going to Walmart. I have to re-up. I can't let it get too low, you know? But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put on some sunscreen and we're about to head out the door. Just kidding. I'm about to do my makeup because I do have other things to do today. But the main thing is replacing this, and then I'm just going to show you guys some other stuff I like to get, because if this is half full and I use all my products simultaneously, there's some other things that I know I'm running low on. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Walmart and re-up because we have to. Skin is a priority. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I'm finished my makeup, and then we're gonna go head out the door. Bye! I got this new lip gloss, and I think it's the prettiest pink, so we're gonna try it on. That's nice. What do you guys think? Alright, but this is the finished look. We're gonna go to Walmart now. So I'll see you guys there. And make sure you get Walmart.
You barely can't see the Walmart sign.
Going home and pharmacy. Yeah.
So where you picture there on it?
Alright, so I am going out of town, so I'm gonna get the travel size of the toner that I was using this morning. And I see some other goodies. I see a dark spot treatment. I haven't gotten this yet, so I'm gonna get this as well. And you know what? I also see a whole travel kit. Can you hold this? We might as well just get this too, because it's a whole travel kit and we're going out of town. It has everything you need. It has a cleanser, a moisturizer with sunscreen, and also the toner that I so dearly love. Another thing I like to get is micellar water. I like to use this before I even use my cleanser because it's just really good at removing the makeup and not being too harsh. I love Aveeno for my body lotion. It's very good for sensitive skin, and I just think it lasts all day, because sometimes I know I put on lotion and then you scratch your skin and you still see like the white ashy mark. Not with this. Aveeno gonna get you right. Hey guys, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been a couple days since I took that Walmart trip, but in between I did end up going on my day trip and I brought all my skincare products. And when I say all my skincare products, I brought 3 products and it was everything I needed. Okay, remember when I showed you I picked up that travel kit and said that I needed it because I knew I had a trip coming up? These are the 3 things that were in it. And these are the 3 things you need for any skincare routine. So first you got the cleanser. You want to clean your skin. And then you have the toner for anything extra. If you forgot to get a little bit of makeup off, this will get you right. It also diminishes dark spots and prevents breakouts. It's the perfect follow-up for a cleanser. You need it. And then last but not least, after all of that, you want to restore your skin with a good moisturizer. And I was in a sunny place. It was cold, but it was still sunny. So this one has SPF 30, very important. So I also followed up with this moisturizer, and that is what I did morning and night for the 3 days that I was on my trip. So that was perfect. But while you're here, I want to show you also this mask that I have from the same brand, Bolden. And it's called a glow hydrating mask. And I think we should test it out together. So first thing first, I'm going to clean off my makeup. And then I'm going to come back and show you this mask. Okay, so I'm back and fresh faced. And let's see what this mask is talking about. I actually ended up ordering this mask offline. I did not get this one at Walmart, but hopefully they put it in stores soon, or maybe just at the location that I went to, they didn't have it in stock yet. This is about to be satisfying, so hold on. Let's see if I can get it up. Hold on. Sorry, I have nails on, so it's just a little bit difficult, but oh. All right, you ready? It looks like honey. It looks like honey. Look in the inside. That looks so refreshing. I can't wait to put that on my skin. So I don't like to waste. So what I'm going to use is this. All right. Okay. Oh, it's like a nice cooling effect. Yeah. This feels so good. Oh, and it smells so nice. It's not like overpowering, but it's like a nice